Hi guys, this is the second video of more in Tkinter. So today we're going to learn about importing the image in the background with the help of PIL or pillow or image module. Okay, so in my previous video I've already told you how to insert an image as a background, right? So by canvas. So this is the alternate method by which you can put the image as a background. In this you don't have to define the geometry of the image as well as of the window, because it's going to adjust on the basis of the length and height, or height and width of the image only. Okay, so why did I explain you canvas? Because it has lots of functionalities like create image, as I told you, there are create lines and many more. That's why I told you canvas app. Okay, so in this video we'll learn about ImageTk, how to import images background. Okay, so if you don't know how to download this module, it's very simple. You just go to cmd. Okay, you write pip install. First you have to of course import your right. First you have to import your location, so go to Python. I have told you lots of time in my previous video how to do this. Open file location, I'll go to open file location and script and copy this. Control C. Very well. Okay, so control V. Oh, I forgot to write cd, sorry. So you have to write cd also. Yeah, and there you go, you are inside your script file. Here you have to download pip install pillow. Okay, pillow contains all the module which is ImageTk image. Okay, and wait, requirement already satisfied because I've already downloaded it. Okay, so after that let's continue. So first we'll create a photo variable. Let us name it as photo0. Okay, photo variable. Right, so we'll create a photo variable photo0, and we'll equalize it to, let me just first write it down and then I'll explain you. Okay, so this part of the code is similar to the canvas, except there is an ImageTk module inserted in front of it. Okay, so I hope you understand this. It's very simple. It's similar to how you use your module normally. So you write ImageTk. For example, when you use math module, you write math dot square root or whatever function you want. So similar to that, it is ImageTk, and tk is abbreviation of Tkinter only. So ImageTk dot photo image and then your file. And I've already told you how to get the file. So let me just get this burger only. Okay, go to properties and I'll call this function. And let me remind you again that this file should be a PNG file. Okay, so cancel. I'll go here. Yep, I'll write slash and write slash and burger dot png. Okay, in quotes, forgot quotes. Okay, and r also, r or double slash, either one of them. Okay, so you have your photo, and here you don't have to write canvas. It's very simple. Here you have to only write label. Okay, till capital. You can store it in a variable, but I usually don't. I don't like to create lots of variable, that's why. So label is equals to, or sorry, label, and then bracket. We have our screen, right? We have our screen, comma, you have image is equals to photo0. Okay, and dot pack or grid, whatever you want. So let's control V, and that's it. See, you get your whole image without defining any geometry, without configuring anything, right? Okay, so this is how you import your what should I say, yeah, this is how you import your image as a background. Okay, in the next video I'll tell you about buttons, and that's it. This was a short video. Thank you for watching.